One of the researchers, Anastasia Shatilovich, revived 2 of the worms at the institute by simply rehydrating them with water, before taking around 100 worms to labs in Germany for further analysis. Scientists have revived a worm that was frozen 46,000 years ago, CNN reported. The roundworm, of a previously unknown species, survived 40 meters (131.2 feet) below the surface in the Siberian permafrost in a dormant state known as cryptobiosis, according to Teymuras Kurzchalia, professor emeritus at the Max Planck Institute of Molecular Cell Biology and Genetics in Dresden and one of the scientists involved in the research, as per CNN. Mr. Kurzchalia explained that organisms in a cryptobiotic state can endure the complete absence of water or oxygen and withstand high temperatures, as well as freezing or extremely salty conditions. They remain in a state, between death and life, in which their metabolic rates decrease to an undetectable level. He said, "One can halt life and then start it from the beginning. This is a major finding." He added that organisms previously revived from this state had survived for decades rather than millennia. 5 years ago, scientists from the Institute of Physiochemical and Biological Problems in Soil Science in Russia found 2 roundworm species in the Siberian permafrost. One of the researchers, Anastasia Shatilovich, revived 2 of the worms at the institute by simply rehydrating them with water, before taking around 100 worms to labs in Germany for further analysis, according to CNN. The scientists, after thawing the worms, used radiocarbon analysis of the plant material in the sample to establish that the deposits had not been thawed since between 45,839 and 47,769 years ago. But still, they didn't know whether the worm was a known species. Eventually, genetic analysis conducted by scientists in Dresden and Cologne showed that these worms belonged to a novel species, which researchers named Panagrolimus coliminus. Researchers also found that the P. coliminus shared with C. elegans, another organism often used in scientific studies, a molecular toolkit that could allow it to survive cryptobiosis. Both organisms produce a sugar called trehalose, possibly enabling them to endure freezing and dehydration.